In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track inventory in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well. You will use Claude AI to help create the first version of your inventory tracking form, and then you will refine it in Jotform. This can include product stock levels, incoming and outgoing inventory, supplier details, storage locations, and the date and time of each update. Having a clear plan will help you create a form that is practical and easy to use. Now in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create an inventory tracking form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for product details, stock updates in and out, quantities, supplier info, and timestamps. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After that, return to Jotform and locate the generated form. Open it and review the structure carefully. Make sure the sections are in place and that the form matches your inventory workflow. If needed, add more fields to improve the tracker. Useful fields include product name, SKU, quantity added or removed, warehouse location, supplier name, and date and time. These fields make it easier to log movements accurately and maintain clean records. Next, organize the form so that it flows in a logical order. Start with product information, then move to stock movement details, and finish with supplier or logging information. A clear layout helps users complete the form quickly and reduces mistakes. Once the structure looks good, customize the form, update field labels, add instructions where necessary, and make important fields required. This will help ensure that each inventory entry is complete and consistent. Then go into the form settings and adjust the tracking features. Turn on notifications so you are alerted when inventory updates are submitted. You can also connect the form to a spreadsheet tool such as Google Sheets for real-time record keeping and easier reporting. After setup, preview the form and test it yourself. Submit a few sample entries for inventory being added and removed. Confirm that the data appears correctly and that the workflow is easy to follow. When everything is working properly, publish the form and share it with your team. You can send the form link directly or embed it into your internal system so it is easy for staff to access. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.